Advanced Energy offers one of the broadest ranges of standard power supplies. But sometimes, standards don't fit customers' unique application perfectly, and developing a custom power supply is too costly and time-consuming. That's where modified standards come in. Customers can start with our proven standard platforms and have them tailored precisely to their application requirements. Why Advanced Energy Modified Standard Solutions? Advanced Energy delivers customized power solutions with decades of expertise and a global network of service and manufacturing locations. Our broad portfolio can be modified or integrated into turnkey solutions, helping you accelerate time to market with proven circuit blocks. We bring vast experience in custom modified standards and value-add projects, offering cost-effective designs, rapid prototyping, and dedicated engineering support. Through our customer experience centers, we collaborate closely with you to validate designs, optimize performance, and ensure your solution meets every requirement. Advanced Energy's modified standard solutions serve a wide range of market segments, including industrial, robotics, defense, medical, test and measurement or burn-in, semiconductor, communication, computing and networking, lighting and signage, and avionics. Our rapid modification solutions accelerate your time to market by bridging the gap between custom and standard solutions. Our capabilities include electrical changes, custom enclosures, interconnect options, and advanced communication controls. For any modified standard solution, Advanced Energy helps solve your challenges. Visit our website for details.